अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट क्या है, उस बारे में बताइए।
आज हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है कि हम लोग एक कंट्री के बारे में बताएंगे,
अपने जो भी अपनी पसंदीदा कंट्री के बारे में बताएंगे और उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बताएंगे।
और
शाबाश,
भी ड्रॉ करेंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच। स्टार्ट कौन करेगा आप लोगों में से?
मैं मुस्तफा करना चाहता हूँ।
ओके मुस्तफ़ा, कम है, आप इधर आ जाएं। मुस्तफ़ा जाइए आप बेटे, दिखाइए पहले आप अपना, हमें अपना वर्क दिखाइए। डंडना, वेट करो डंडना। ये कौन सा कंट्री है? कतर।
कतर।
ओके, अब हमें सुनाइए इसके बारे में।
ओके। कतर फेमस प्लेस इज साउथ वाकिफ। Qatar famous food is majbouz, and Qatar is the richest and so developed country. In 2022, it was the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Amir bin Sheikh Abid is the Amir of Qatar. Like on past it was Khalifas now, and now we are saying it's Amir.
Okay.
It's a well-developed country. We can also say that it's a good and very happy country. It's a Muslim country, and the capital city is Doha.
शाबाश। Are you done? Say thank you.
Yes.
Who is the next volunteer?
Me.
Okay, go.
I am Muhammad Evan Kamran, and today I will tell you a speech about the UAE.
Can we see the flag?
The flag is simple but very interesting.
Okay, next. Speak about UAE.
The UAE is known for its tall buildings and its futuristic culture, and it also holds the Burj Khalifa. It is a landmark, and it is the longest building in the world. And there are 4 cities that are very special. They are called just like Mansoube of our Pakistan, but they are a little bit different. The biggest one is Abu Dhabi, and the president is also was born in Abu Dhabi, and as we call Dubai is another city, but it is in a suba, as we call in Pakistan. And there are total 4 subas, and it is located in East Africa, and it is very rich. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Who is the next volunteer? Okay, go.
Wait. Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear fellows. Today I am going to tell you about Saudi Arabia.
You have to speak aloud. This is the flag of Saudi Arabia?
Yes, it's a flag of Saudi Arabia. Now I am going to tell the speech of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia and a land of tradition and progress. Saudi Arabia is a beautiful country in the Middle East, famous for its rich culture, vast desert, and holy cities. It is the home of Makkah and Medina, and it is which are important places for Muslims around the world. Known for its oil resources, delicious food, traditional clothes, and modern cities like Riyadh, Saudi Arabia is a beautiful connective its ancient heritage with a bright future. A country where history meets innovation and tradition meets tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys, today I hope you are doing well. Today I was telling about a very interesting country. So, can you see? Let me show you. Can you really guess which flag is it? Egypt. This is Egypt. The red one, the red part of the flag represents struggle. The white stands for peace, and the black stands for injustice. This is all about the Egypt flag. Egypt is also known for its beautiful and wide pyramids. Egypt is a very developed and very knowledgeable civilization. It is very oldest civilization in the world. It is very informative for history. Just like there's a part of Egypt called the Nile River. The Nile River is very long. It is a very long river. It provided the Egyptians fruits and water. It is very long. And the Egyptians inventions are very good. Just like surgeons, they invented early medicines and the early writing paper. Just like the way of uniform writing. That's how we write. And the second thing they invented, the cosmetics, the makeup, like the women use, like kajal. They also invented that. They also invented early medicines and surgery. The Egyptians' language was Arabic because in the old time Arab came and the main language is Arabic because the Egyptian people nowadays speak Arab language. And Egypt's capital city is Giza, that is very known for its popular street lights and things. And tourists visit every year, and it attracts Arabs, and its beauty attracts Arabs and all tourists. Egyptian's country is very good, and I like it because it is very good and it is very informative for history people like me because I love history.
Mama, can I ask a question?
Yes, sure.
What is the capital city of Egypt?
It is Giza, just I told you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye. I hope you liked our speech.
Thank you so much, Fatma. Very well, good.